Hi, good morning dear students. This is Kasimappa, Assistant Mathematics teacher from SV Hum School, Arigimara Camp. Dear students, this is part 8 video for the 6th standard. The second chapter, that is 6th standard, sorry, playing with numbers. In that playing with numbers, dear children, in our today topic is HCF. HCF, you know that very well already. Highest common factor. Highest common factor. Yes. Here question is given example 1 like that. Example 1, dear children. Find the HCF of 24 and 18. Here two numbers given 24 and 18. We need to find out HCF. Here HCF we can find out as two methods. One by factorization method. Another one is by listing the method. By listing the factors method. One is factorization method. Another one is by listing the factors method. Now I will show you, dear children, by listing the factors method. Yes, suppose factors of this one. Suppose 24, you have to choose the factor 2 has 2 ones are, 2 12s are, 2 4 2 2s are, then 2 6 are, then 2 3s are 6, then finally 3 1s are. Yes, 2 2 2 3 1, these are the factors of that 24. Then another one number is given 18. Yes, 2 first is a factor, 2 9s are 18. Then we cannot choose 2 because 2 is not a multiple of 19 or 19 is not a multiple of 2. That's why, dear children, I will choose 3. 3 3s are, then 3 1s are. Now, dear children, I can write as 24 is equal to factors of all those 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. All these factors I have written here. Then 18 factors 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. Yes, here common numbers, the numbers which are present in 24 and 18. Choose. Here also 2, here also 2. Then this make a separate one group for this one. Then here 3 is there, here 3 is there. Now, yes, make these as one group. Yes, these as one group, dear children. Yes. Next you can say that, sir, here 2 is there, here not available. If any one number, if it is repeated maximum times, we don't want. But the same number can repeat the same number of times. We have to choose that number only. Here 2 is repeated, here also 2 repeated, it is one group. But here 2 is there, but here not 2 is repeated. 2 is only repeated here one time. But here, see here, 3 is repeated 2 times, but here 3 is repeated only one time. We have to choose pair. Next here 1. Yes, here also 1. Yes, 1 is a common factor, all those things, every number. That's why common factors, that is 2. Here 2 is repeated how many times, ma? 2 times. Yes, 2 into, here 3 is repeated how many times? That is 2 times. Yes, now see, dear children. Yes, actually we have to take it here. Yes, sorry. 2 is repeated only one time. Here also 2 is repeated only one time. Choose only one. Out both of group you have to choose only one numbers. Here 2 is common. Here 3 is common. Take. Then common factors multiply these things. 2 3s are 6. Therefore, HCF is 6. HCF of these 24 and 18 is 6 because HCF means here 24 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6 6 are sorry 6 fours are 24. 6 fours are 24. Then 18 divided by 6. 6 ones are here 6 ones are 6 threes are. Yes, this 6 can divide the given both the numbers. That's why we can call HCF. HCF means common highest factor. Highest common factor. Okay, dear children, let us see. Yes, we have to solve the remaining next problem is find the HCF of second question. HCF of find the example 2. Find the HCF of 45 and 50. HCF of 45 and 50. Yes, we know that list the by factorization method 45. Yes, you have to don't choose here 2 because 2 here 5 is there now in place 2 don't use, you have to use only 5. Yes, 5 are 3 also you can use. Yes, 3 ones are 3. Here 4 minus 3 means 1 is left out. 3 5s are 15. Then 3 5s are 15. Then 5 ones are. Next 50. Yes, you have to use 5. Better is 5. 10s are 50. Then 5 2s are 10. Then finally, yes, better instead of that one also you can use 2 also. 2 can also because here 2 is coming nothing but here. Yes, better you have to use for this is 2. First numbers should be small. That's why dear children 2. 25s are 50. Then now 5 5s are then 5 ones are. Yes, common factors are same. You can use either 5, either 2. You will getting the same factors. Yes, now 45 I can write as 3 into 5. Then 50 I can write as 2 into 5 into 5. Here common factors means the number which is present in both the group, either group of 45 and 50. Which number that is? Here 3 is there, here not 3 is available. Here only 5 is there na. Here only one group is there. Yes, common factor that is common factor that is 5. HCF is also HCF and also 1. Here also 1. Here also 1 available. Yes, make separate group for this one. HCF also 1. That's enough. 5 ones are 5 itself only na. Highest common factor that is 5. HCF of 45 and 50 is 5. Example 3. See dear children. Example 3. Find the HCF of suppose 12. They can give more than 2 numbers also. 12, 15 and 18. Yes, this is the example 3 dear children. This is example 3. Same, by using the factorization method solve that problem. You will get that HCF of both 3 numbers. First one is 12. Okay, 12. Take the factors first 2. 2 6 are 12. Then 2 3s are 6. Then 3 1s are. The next one is 15. 15 better you have to take 3. 3 5s are. Then 5 1s are. The next one is 18. Yes, 2. First you have to use 2. 2 nines are, then 2 nines are 18. Then 3 threes are 9. Then finally 1. Yes, list the factors. 12 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. All the factors I have written. Then 15 is equals to 2 into, sorry, there is no 2. There is no 2. Only 3 into 5 into 1. Then 18 is 2 into 3 into 1. See dear children, common factors you need to write. Common factors means the number which can present in 3 groups. This group and this group. Here 2 is available, here not 2. But here 2. We don't want that 2 should be present in 3 group, but it is not present, leave it. Then take it 3, here also 3, here also 3, here also 3. Yes, common factor is 3. And 5, here only 5 there is not 5 available. But 2 is available now. Yes, 2. Yes, dear children, that is HCF of 12, 15, 18 is 3 ones are 3. HCF of these 3 numbers, dear children, that is 3. Okay, dear children, I think this is how can we calculate the HCF of given numbers. We know that the remaining content related to this your chapter playing with numbers. This is third chapter actually. I didn't mention playing with numbers related to the contents we have to solve in the next class. Thanking you all. Bye.